Would you do this deal? Lewis County, Washington. Accepted offer price is $82,470. Thinks we can sell this for between 130, 140. 12.85 acres. Access, yes. Comps seem to be around 150 to 180. Still waiting on the broker's opinions. So he went in kind of lower just to be conservative. I like that. House is nearby, near Lewis and Clark State Park, and everybody's alive. Just sign this here. Wow.
Access.
Sheesh.
Passes all tests there. Fantastic
Yeah.
access. Adjacent is great.
What's possible across the street is awesome.
Comps are at 150 to 180. Purchase price is 82,000. Now let's try to find something wrong, right? 5 acres for 60,000. This is 12 acres for 80. This is for sale property, and then it goes all the way up from there. So that's a good sign. Tons of sold property. Geez, 146. Let's do
that.
12 months here.
That doesn't make me feel good.
5 for 65, 10 for 82.
That's a little worrisome.
All right, you two, kill the deal.
I'm not jumping up and down over the money part. But it doesn't mean it's there's so many other great things about it, right? That I would still push forward and then probably have to break it to him about a price
So
change.
Dan Smart's got all kinds of stuff to say about this.
Okay. Oh, he's got somebody here.
He's got a broker for you, so that's
nice.
how that's what you need. There's your answer. It looks like it's priced a little too high.
King County, Washington, 0.28 acres. This is going to be good. All right, I'm excited on this one. Accepted offer price, $51,093. Says he'd give it to me for 40 because there's no road yet. Thinks he can sell it for 100. We have legal, right? Access, HOA none. No, nothing there. No slope. So the market here is hot. Sold a lot in this county. The owner owns the surrounding lots as well. He has sold a few lately for $50,000 each. My employee ended up finding out that on the sold comps and Zillow as well, and he's correct. I've done really well in this county, so fairly confident, but I'm just a little nervous if he knows something about this land that I don't. He says he's a land consultant, etc., and I'm a little nervous if 40K is still high with no physical access. What are your thoughts? That's just a red flag for me.
I wouldn't buy this. We just don't buy core accessless property. I don't like buying anything on that and banking on what's going to happen in the future, which is, I think, the definition of buying stock. Just let's see what happens. Let's buy it. Let's see if they're going to put a road in.
When someone like that's selling it to me, that means I couldn't sell it. I'm not going to take it on. It's just that's an immediate red flag. I usually move on.
Look, these are all built without exception. So if the demand was there to justify whatever infrastructure is needed, it would have been done by now. Yeah. It's on the 5 here. I think that's the 5.
Yeah, it is.
Or the 99. This ends up, I wouldn't do it. Usually I just have to wait for Jill to do it, to say no.
Yeah, this time you did. I'm very proud of you. Would you do this deal? Orange County, Florida. Offer price $90,000. Thinks we could sell it for 130. Oh, you know what? By the way, Anthony's been there. There's 2 neighbors on the road, and it's nice. So yeah. 1.1 acre. Buy for 90, sell for 130. That's already out of my comfort zone.
Wow, look at this though.
90
and 130 is too much.
Yeah, with all this extra real estate. If it was the last parcel and I knew it would sell in 5 minutes, sure. But with all that real estate around there, I would buy for 50 and sell for 130.
Let's see what Zillow says.
What did those houses sell for?
Tons of new construction going in Wedgefield, getting a new railroad, areas in high demand.
The roads look great. Adjacent to the East House, sold for $370 in 2015. And let's see what Zillow says about what it's worth now. $700,000. So that's like Jill money.
Roughly doubled. Give me some what's really for sale right now around there. You could get to that sub. 2 months ago for $460. 4 months ago, $590.
1.4. Yeah. 18 days ago. So I wouldn't say no to it, but let's just see what's for sale here. What's the purchase price? 90. That's a lot.
That's the trouble I'm having trouble with. Like if I could almost justify I don't know, $500,000 house to get 130 out of it, I think is hard. 32833. There's that way.
It's just a FEMA minefield here.
Where is
but fortunately, this is all out of it.
That's good.
It's just everywhere. Yeah. It's all over the place. You're gonna have to, and there's a lot. Well, this is sold. We don't have the kind of time now to dig into this, but this is really easy to value. That's the good news.
Yeah.
This lot, as lots go, it's crazy easy to value. You can see what's sold around there. You can see what houses are being built. what they sell for. So, and you know how to do this.
Mm-hmm.
I would get prices on every property that's sold in the subdivision
Mm-hmm.
in the last 12 months. And you can do this on Redfin really easy because it's real urban in a downloaded format
Right.
for lots and for property per square foot houses, and really dig down, and you're going to find out, I can tell you right now, you're going to find out that your comfort zone to pay is going to be around 30,000. Did anybody disagree?
Waiting for Lori to weigh in.
No, I don't disagree. I like the
Yeah.
area.
Mhm.
I like the look of the property, and Chip said, find a builder in the area
Yeah.
and contact them. So
Mhm.
yeah, look at the data and get some input from the locals.
Would you steal Macon County, North Carolina? Accepted offer price 35,000. See, these are the numbers I'm looking for.
This is great.
Thinks we can sell it for 120. This is like, okay, now like if we're going for the 120, I want to buy it like that. So if I
Jerry-
screw it all up, I'm still okay.
This is a great posting.
Yep. Paved county road, 1 acre. Most of the properties nearby are an acre. Affordable, yes. Attribute on the mountain, beautiful view. An agent contacted me about the property. I didn't see him list a property anywhere on the MLS. He doesn't seem interested in property. Well, I've had that. I've had agents who do like I just do SFRs. Here, you want it? You're a land guy. I don't want to touch it. I'm like, okay. Why don't you buy it? They're like, no, it's not my thing. Property does have a slope. Adjacent property also has a slope. We see that. All right. Adjacent lot has a mortgage for $500,000. Wow. I wonder if there's a couple properties in
Yeah,
that.
it's
It could be more than one property.
Cross collateralized.
Yeah. Broker told me I could quadruple my money and the slope wouldn't be an issue. A lot a street away sold for $824,000 with the house, of course.
So these are great numbers. These are numbers that are all within our acceptable range. So you need to start confirming. I might even put it under contract, Jill.
I might open escrow.
I'd open escrow, and I
Tie
think
it
I'd
up.
start digging down to find out what's wrong with it, if anything. That maybe there's nothing wrong with it.
Calling the county,
Get
is there anything special to bill on this that we need to know about?
Get a drone person out there and all of that.
So the seller, like how long have they owned it to? What's the story behind that? Did you look at that?
I'd put this under contract today. I would call an escrow if there's time now still.
Yeah, not in North Carolina.
Oh, right.
It's after 5 o'clock there. All right, Jasper County, Georgia, 6.63 acres.
11,000
We have
bucks.
access. $11,583. The owner countered with 15, which I said okay, because I think I could sell it for 57. Road, yes, not in the floodplain. Small back, but won't affect. There's a little bit in the back, apparently, on the flood. HOA, POA, not sure. Possibly, I don't think so. Neighboring sold comps did not have an HOA. Looks like utilities probably at the road.
So a property 2 parcels north sold for $65,000 in 2011, and they built a house on it in 2018. What I'm trying to do is get a house value to justify the price, the sale price, not the buy price. $165,000 in 2008. Property was built in 07. So I think this is the dirt right here.
Okay. So what if I did it wrong and I sell it for 40?
So
Am
this
I
is
okay
the
with
adjacent
that?
property to the north, $140,000 for the estimated market value. And at 11, I would buy this, and I would plaster the picture of this all over the place about what's possible.
I'm seeing more and more. Well, I haven't seen really. I have seen some. Like we talked about the land staging company that Lori's going to start.
Yeah, land staging.
Uh-huh.
That's great.
There we go.
Yeah, there we go.
I think for 11,000, I
Yeah.
mean, I would go through the normal motions of getting
15.
talking to people, but yeah, for 15, I don't.
Look, Nellie did it all right. She came in at 11.5 and they said 15. That's totally, if they said 35, I'd say no. But at 15, like I can make that work. I would totally buy that, Nellie. Oh, get a hold of the owner. He's called twice. Okay. Yeah. Next time you get them, you're making plans like it's in escrow, or I have Susie standing by, like get it moving fast.
We hope you found our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.